choose the patient and create a new case. In the pop-up window, select the lab to which you'll send the case. On the order page, press Single Units, then Inlay Onlay, and select the tooth. Then select the material, and lastly the shade if it's needed. Finally, set the delivery date by clicking the Delivery Date button. When done, proceed to the scan page. Use a retraction cord and/or hemostatic agents if parts of the margin are subgingival. In this case, start by scanning the opposing arch to allow time for the retraction methods to take effect. For cases where parts of the margin are subgingival, follow one of the two scanning options outlined in the Crown video. In this particular case, there are no parts of the margin below gingiva, so simply follow the official scan strategy. Now proceed to the upper arch. Scan the same area as in the lower arch, following the official scan strategy. Make sure that you cover the prepped area, including the margin line and contact points. Mark the preparation. Once you set the preparation mark, the software will automatically check if there are any areas near the preparation that have not been scanned. If any holes are found, you'll be informed by a pop-up. Pressing the pop-up will rotate the scan to show the areas not scanned, indicated by amber arrows. If the holes are located at critical areas, such as the preparation, margin line, or contact points, you'll need to add some scanning here. Otherwise, no further scanning is required. Now move to the bite scan page. Insert the scan tip to the second molar on the buccal side. Ask the patient to bite. Scan 3 to 4 teeth until the upper and lower arches snap to the bite scan. The light blue surface indicates the surface covered by the bite scan. The alignment is done automatically. However, if it fails, proceed to the manual alignment. Go to the Analyze page to confirm that there's enough space for the reconstruction between the upper and lower jaw. Post-processing will be done automatically when you send the order. However, it is recommended to do post-processing first if you wish to set the margin line before sending. Set the margin line and optionally add some comments or shade measurements. Finally, switch to the Send page. You'll see a summary of the order. Press the Send button to send the order.